Good morning, you guys. It's another morning, you guys. It's another money making day, and I'm ready for it. Right now it's 7:39, you guys, and I just received my first order. $15 shopping order, and I'm only shopping for 7 items. Let's start the day, you guys. Let's start the day. Second order of the day, $19, 3 drops, and it's going 7 miles. And right now it's 8:40. 8:40, and it's our second order. I'm not saying nothing. Let's see how the day's gonna play today. By the way, it's Friday, October 25th. You guys, oh my gosh. Tell me why I thought yesterday was Wednesday. So I was editing my video, and I don't know what I went to check. I think I went to check my never mind. So I was like, what? Today was Thursday? In my head I thought it was Wednesday. So today is Friday. But yesterday I thought it was Wednesday. This week went on too fast. Way too fast, you guys. I was so surprised. I guess if you happy, if you feeling happy, you don't even know your days. What can I say? I don't know what it is for real. I thought it was Wednesday. Oh Lord. This is here my first drop off here. I'm at the house already. So it's time to go drop it off. My second delivery, it was like 30 seconds away from my first drop, so that was cool. You didn't have to, they were just next to each other. So right now I'm going on my last drop, my third drop off, and it's 9 minutes away. 9 minutes! After waiting 2 hours without no orders, you guys, and I received an order, $26, 7 miles, and 2 drops. This morning it's slow. So I missed an order for 9 and 10. I didn't get order, and slow. Let's see how the day gonna play out. You know, you never know. It might catch up later on. I don't know. So I already dropped my first one. I'm going to my second drop off, which is 13 minutes away. We're going far. 13 minutes. Oh, slow. It's slow. So they just gave me this order, $28. I'm like, oh yes, $28. Let me pick it up real quick. But when I went to check, it was a shopping order. I'm like, Usually, before I click on for the shopping order, before I accept it, I have to go check how many items. Like, I have to. I will never taking a shopping order without checking first how many items before I accept it. So I click on it. Look at this. 62 items for $28. I'm like, pay me at least for something. $28 for shopping 62 items? That's gonna keep, it's not worth it. It's not worth it. I know it's so slow, it's super slow, but it's not worth it. It's not worth it buying all those items for $28. So I'm still here, but today is super bad. Today is super bad. $19. It's going, I don't remember the miles, but I'm only shopping 11 items. I think it's going 3 miles. So excited. Yo, it's 2 right now and I'm sitting on 76. Can you imagine? From 7, you guys, from 7 to 2, I have 76. This is how slowly it is today. Like, super slow, and it's Friday. I already told you that it's Friday. It's Friday. So I'm planning to end my shift around, since I've been just sitting in the car for the whole time. So I'm planning to end my day like 7 or 8. But I don't like driving at night, I'm gonna say, because right now it gets dark too early and I don't feel comfortable. I don't know, maybe it's because it's been like months and months I don't drive at night. Because when I used to do DoorDash, I used to drive at night with no problem. But right now, I tried it, but I'm like, nah, I can't see, you guys. I can't see at night, so I don't think I'm gonna, I don't know what time I'm gonna finish, but all I know it's Friday. I can finish whenever. So we're gonna see how this thing's gonna play out. And I just received an order, $26, 3 drop off, and it's going 7 miles. And this is gonna put us on 100 something. That's great. I hope I keep getting order of 20 something, because that will push me to my goal. But let's wait and see. Maybe the day might surprise her. I can get like $50 order, you know. You never know. With this gig work, you never know. Got 11 when I was on 36. 11. Normally at 11 I'll have $100 or 90 something or 80 something. But I had $35. So you never know. That's why this type of gig work, I mean, if you work gig work, you never know where the order is coming from or how much they're gonna hit you with, you know. So before the day ends, I'm not gonna give up. I'm not gonna say I'm not gonna reach my goal, because anything might happen. Anything can happen anytime. Anything can happen anytime, you guys. So let's wait and see. Let me go pick up this order, and yeah. It's now 3:20, you guys, and they just now finished putting the order in my car. I waited 25 minutes for this order. Can you imagine? Oh my gosh. You need to do better, you guys. 20 minutes waiting for order? Waited the whole 20 minutes for order. 25. this person here only buy this water. Only water. Look what I just found in our bags, you guys. So this girl was loading my my deliveries in my car, and she noticed that she lost her this one. I don't know how to call it. So she was looking for it, and I went out and we started. I helped her look for it. We checked in all the bags, and we couldn't find it. So we was like, so where could it be? So she was like, okay, whenever you find it, just please give it to me. I said, okay. So I was delivering my last one, and I was like, you know what? Let me double check. So I was like, it gotta be in this car somewhere. So when I'm delivering, I was paying attention to try to look for it. So I found it. I think she was gonna get in trouble if she don't find this. So I'm gonna go and hand it to her. Say, girl, I found your thing. It was right in the bag. In a groceries bag. But thank God I checked, because if I didn't check, it was gonna get delivered to somebody's house and Walmart could never find it again. You know, this is what they use to scan when they bring our deliveries. So they scan. $20 shopping order, and we're shopping for 18 items, y'all. But it's going far. I'm going 8.9 miles. That's far. That's far, but it's okay. It's not too bad, you know. Not too bad. I need to shop it first, and boom, 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 when it come. This shopping order, it gave me headache, y'all. It gave me headache. I took long time shopping it because most of our stuff, it wasn't there, and they sent me to different locations. And it is this aisle that I didn't know where it was. I went all around, it was not there. I was like, where is this aisle? And the employees were nowhere to be found, so I can ask them. I just kept going around, and then finally it was right in front of me, y'all. It was right in front of me. So this order, it took me a long time. Right now it's 4:42. Like, the day is almost over. So, and I'm going to deliver it. It gave me 13 minutes in highway. 13 minutes. I hope I get like 3 more orders after this. Can just be closer to our goal. I don't know where we are right now. I haven't calculated this order to my amount. So $1 is going 5 miles, and I'm only shopping for 11 items. Hello? You guys, it's 6 right now, 6:13, so I'm waiting for the last order. If they don't give me a shopping order, I think I'm gonna receive order 6:38. So I'm waiting for that time, and that's gonna be my last order because I don't want to work when it's dark, y'all. When I get this order, I know 7 is gonna get dark, and I don't wanna keep working when it's dark. So, and I think Walmart, right now they close at 11. So I wonder if they keep giving out orders throughout the whole night. I received an order. It was one of those bad orders. So on the app it shows that they close at 11. So do they keep giving order till that time? I wonder. I never worked past till 11. But if you're that person if you're that person who wanna try it out, go try it out. They close at 11 till 11 p.m. So, but I don't wanna work till that time. 6:20 right now, and we just received another order, shopping order, you guys. $15, and we're shopping for 4 items only, and it's going 6 miles. It's going 6 miles. So because they give us an order too early, I think I'm gonna take the last one. So I'm gonna wait for the last order, and we're gonna call it a night. So let me go shop these 4 items, and and I don't know how much we own, guys. I really don't know, and I'm gonna tell you all of that, how much we made, although it was super slow. I don't even know where we are, to be honest. I don't. Let's go shop this order. As soon as I finish that one, the good order popped up. I'm like, I need to take this. I need to take, because it was good order and it was shopping order. I'm only shopping for 3 items, so I had to take it. You guys, it's 7 right now. 7, and I'm done shopping with the order. The only reason why I took this order, you guys, it's going my way out. Like, it's where I'm heading. It's where I live. So from where I'm dropping this order to my house, I'm gonna go like 5 minutes. So that's why I jumped on this order. And you guys, thank you so much. If you watch this video through here, thank you so much. I love you. And guess how much we made, you guys? We made 182. Oh my god! Woo-hoo! I wasn't expecting this much money today at all. I don't know where I put my my little light. I'm looking for it, but I don't see it over here. So you guys bear with me. I don't know where's my light, if you can't see me. So anyway, we made it. I swear to God, I didn't know that I'm gonna make this much money today. But hey, these last orders, they saved me. These shopping orders mostly. These shopping orders, because you just go in, you shop, you out. You come back, they give you another shopping order, like your money comes like this. So to be honest, this shopping money, because this, like my last 4 orders, I think was shopping. If it was not 5 orders, there was all shopping, if I'm not mistaken. So 182. Wow, that's fantastic. Anyway, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Enjoy watching Spark video. This is it here. This is more videos of Spark. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit thumbs up. Don't forget to comment. Comment anything, you guys. I love you so much. Bye. See you tomorrow.